Jesus, you're too much.
Amen.
It is too much.
Oh God.
We thank you, Jesus.
Thank you, Mama. Get up.
Melody. You're back.
Yes, Mommy.
Finally, my daughter has finished from youth service.
Yes.
Hey! Shut!
Oh, Mama. Thank God. I miss you so much.
I missed you too.
Francesca said she was going to come with me to spoil you, even if it was just for one night.
Mama.
Mama. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go in there and prepare. Why on earth would I miss my mother? Why would I miss you? That's all one go. Dry fish. Hey! I remember when I was a soldier. I remember when I was a soldier. I remember when I was a soldier. Yeah.
Juju is the list. So, what can I offer you?
Forget about the drink. Let's concentrate on more important issues.
Okay, Julius, I need your favor. I need your huge favor. There is something I need you to execute for me.
Execute? What is it?
Will you smoothen up that face, my friend? Of course I am not going to ask you to kill someone.
Alright. So tell me, what is it?
I need you to accompany me to Cherry Hill Plaza. You know, I want you to help me in picking out an exquisite jewel that will grace the lovely fingers of my soon-to-be bride.
Easy listed. You've done it again. Well, I'm happy for you. But I want you to know one thing. Even if you want me to go with you to the moon to get this jewel, you know I will always follow you.
And one more thing. I want to see how I can change her wardrobe, you know? I need your help. Pick out one or two things that will make her look like a queen that she truly is.
That's right. Alright, okay, this is what I will do. I will cancel all my appointments for today so that I will be with you. Just in case you need me to do any other thing for you. I will be totally at your service. Alright?
Alright, thank you. I know I can always depend on you.
Anytime, bro, anytime. I think I need that drink now.
The drink?
Yeah.
I'll get the drink.
It's a listing issue.
Hey, I made this soup. Eat it, Libenia.
I'm good to go back home, Mom.
Hi. Francisca, how is your mother?
No, she's fine. When I told her I was coming to see you, she was so excited.
That wonderful woman. She suffered to make sure that you live a good life. God, just bless every single mother that works hard to make sure her children do not suffer. Hi. But you know, very soon now, they'll be calling her lawyer. She can now go out there and look for trouble. You will save her now. Obria?
Mama, you uncle. Don't you know that so many people out there have already started calling you Mama Doctor?
They're already calling me Mama Doctor. Yeah. No, I think I prefer Ne Doc. Ne Doc.
Ne Doctor.
Ne
Doctor.
Hey! Ne Doctor. Hey! So when I walk now, Ne Doctor. Ne Unu Fuzikwa Mnilo, Obaziano Ne Doctor. To God be the glory. He was finishing it. Her.
Sir, his name is ASP Kabiru, sir. His service records, which presently lie on your table, shows that he's an invaluable asset to both the intelligence and counter-terrorism department of the Borno State Police Command, sir. He was specifically sent for and ordered by the State Commissioner of Police to help officers in this division with regards to training and field support, sir.
Okay. I have not even gone through his records, but you see, I am most gladdened by this new development. Inspector, this oversight function of our division has garnered a most terrible reputation. You will agree with me? I agree with you, sir. Everybody sees our division as the crime capital of the state. Huh? So any resource or resources, human or material, that is availed to us to fight this menace of kidnapping, molestation, theft, hijacking, you name it, is most welcomed. It's most welcomed. Where exactly is this SP
Kabiru, sir.
Kabiru? Where exactly is he at this
sir,
moment?
he's presently at the canteen, sir. He journeyed overnight to join us, sir. I presume he needs a tummy fuel, sir. Or do I rather ask him to report to you immediately, sir?
No. I will see him when I need him. Okay? That will be all for now.
Oh, by the way, Melody. Ma?
Now that you've finished your youth service, don't you think it's about time you got a good job placement?
Mama, don't worry, I'm working on something. And by God's grace, it will be good. Besides, he said he spoke to a friend of his who is a doctor. He owns a private practice. He said that he will throw in a word for me, that he thinks the job is going to be good. It's going to be a very good package, so I'm hopeful.
Oh, beautiful. That is good.
Hello.
Baby. Yeah. How? Okay. How did the journey go? You fine? Okay. So how is Mama?
I want to talk to Mama. Have you finished speaking with me?
Oh, she's there with me. Give her the phone, let me talk to her.
Okay. Alright, hold on.
Silency, jealousy. Izu, my son.
Mama, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Yeah, I asked my wife about you and then she said you're fine.
Izu, Mom, thank you so much. And may God bless you. Let him bless you the way you have blessed my daughter and I. And if I'm not wise, not
Who else
just the
is
same
Zuna?
way.
Ah, thank God. So have you eaten? Okay, thank God. I hope she's taking good care of you. Well, I trust my wife. I trust her. Alright, not to worry, Mama. I'll call you tomorrow, okay?
Alright, Mama, it's my turn. Let me talk to Izu too.
Oh, Izu, some people here want to snatch the phone from me. Oh, it's Francisca. Please hold on for her.
Thank you. Hello, big man. So you know out of me, Abby?
ASP Kabiru.
Sir.
I learned you traveled through the night and was still able to report for duty this morning.
Yes, sir.
Very impressive. Nigeria is lucky to have men like you. I hope you have been told about how terrible these areas of our division's oversight function are.
Yes, sir.
I am also aware that the Commissioner of Police himself instructed you with regard to the training of officers and men of my division.
Yes, sir.
And while you are at that, ASP, I want you to freely choose from the rank and file and officers, men and women you would like to work with.
Okay, sir.
Dikeh here will show you around, especially those areas that need the urgent attention of your wealth of experience.
Okay, sir.
ASP Kabiru.
Sir.
That will be all for now.
Okay, sir.
Dismiss officers.
Thank you, sir. Yes, sir. These are terminals, sir. Terminal X, Terminal Y, and Terminal Z over there, sir. And this central point, sir, is where the terminals come together to make up a junction. In fact, sir, this particular junction has been known to be a very dangerous point for both motorists and passerbys, sir. In fact, in our unit, we call it the junction of death. So, sir, seriously, if we are to curb the menace of crime in this particular city, we need to lay proper emphasis on this particular junction, sir.
All right?
Yes, sir.
There's no time to waste. I will start work with the officers immediately.
All right? Sir, I have to show you another terminal, sir. Okay? Yes, increasing in time. Hello? Hey, baby. Oh, okay. I'll come pick you up in the door. Okay? Alright.
So, I want you officers to understand that there will be a reward for all those who show tangible contributions to the coping of this menace that has brought this city to its knees. Fast tracking promotions, financial rewards, and these are some of the incentives that the State Commissioner of Police has promised. Are you all listening?
Yes, sir.
Are you all listening?
Yes, sir.
Listen, officers. You all will have to impress me. Is that clear?
Okay, we're here finally. Yeah.
It's been so long, you know?
Yes.
And I'm so tired.
How are you?
Please, that's changed. How did you add to this place? Home, sweet home.
The Nigerian police officer should live well regardless.
Definitely.
Yes.
My love, you've been staring at the wristwatch all the way, even down to the house. What's happening? You wouldn't even sit down for a while and at least cuddle up with me. It's been a while, you know.
My darling, of course I would love to. I would have loved to. Why not? I mean, you're here, but you see, something important is up. Headquarters sent a superior officer to teach us new techniques on security tactics. So I have to go for that workshop, and leaving now makes me 5 minutes late.
I understand. And you should run along. Probably I'll wait for you to get back home. You know how much I miss you. Please don't stay out late, okay? I miss you. love.
I won't, okay? This is your house. The fridge is well stocked, and of course, the kitchen is your kitchen, okay?
Okay, bye,
All
honey. Take care.
Bye.
Bye.
Inspector Dikeh, I can see that you are disturbing this workshop. Do you well to pick those notes after this section, not while I'm in front of you talking. Is that clear? Good. Now back to where we were. It is better to allow a criminal to escape than to kill an innocent life. Our duty as officers of the force is to protect the innocents, the law-abiding citizens. With the aid of a disciplined force and a cooperative citizenry, an escaped criminal can eventually be fished out. But a mistakenly killed innocent life can never, I repeat, can never be recovered. So I urge you guys, in fact, I beseech you officers to study this very carefully towards the challenges ahead. Is that understood?
Where did she do her housemanship?
University of Just Teaching Hospital.
You service?
She served in a general hospital in Kaduna State.
Izu, I know this might not sound irrelevant. Did she try applying any of the hospitals in the north before coming down to south?
Anthony, the question is not irrelevant. Yeah, the opportunity did come up, but I would have gladly relocated my business platform just to favor her. But if you consider the security situation in the north, you will see why we opted out that plan.
Alright, I'll see what I can do.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Yo, that's it, though. Seriously.
That reminds me. Dikeh, hope you've read that note from that briefing.
Oh yes, I did that immediately. And come to think of it, that ASP Kabiru is quite a fascinating fellow.
That guy is the bomb.
He is a very intelligent man, I must add.
I agree.
I mean, at least it is obvious to all of us today that there is more to security than what we have been doing all along.
Of course. I agree.
I can see you guys are enjoying yourselves, sir. Please just manage this while the food gets ready. I'll be out in a bit.
Thank you.
Just hang on. Do you know, recently, I have just observed that both sets of Oga Dike's cheeks are becoming fuller and significantly rounder. And I can tell you immediately without wasting time that this beautiful woman is responsible for the development. Am I lying?
Hey, my dear, please, just
let him testify to that, eh?
Oh, please.
Behind every successful man, there must be a woman.
Hey, my friend, do you realize it's your senior officer's girlfriend you're talking to?
Sure, sir.
I'll double you up. All correct.
Okay.
Okay. Mama. Yes? I was with Francisca in the city. Yes? When called me. Guess what Izu told me,
What
Mama?
did Izu tell you?
Izu said that his friend that owns the hospital has said that I should come and commence work immediately.
Hey!
Immediately.
Jesus! Jesus!
Hey!
What are you talking about? Hey! Hey! God, you are too much.
Thank God.
What about Francisca?
Francisca is still in the city. She went to meet a friend of hers who said she's going to hook her up with her own job.
Oh God! Nakuya, one. I give you the second one too. Hey! Namo! Eh?
I almost fell down when I was running.
You see?
Mama.
You see why it is good to be good?
Yes, sir.
When you are good, the blessings will rain from heaven.
Yes, sir.
God is embarrassing you people with goodness. Hey! What is it? Ago, you're hungry. Go inside, there's food for you.
Thank you.
Hey! Ago! Hey!
It's a listing. I hope you realize you will have to go and pay her bride price before she starts working. Because as you know, in a crucial stage in a relationship like this, a man needs to strike with swift clinical precision.
I think there's a sense in what you just said. Trust me.
Prof, my man.
I will do as you said.
I trust you.
No, you just look into it, alright?
Sit down well now. See how you perch for the chair like person when one face court judgment. How bad? Have you forgotten that my Oga's house is also your house? I beg, calm well, Joe.
What do you know? I've been one jab me in front of your God time.
Don't mind her. Don't always let her get the better side of you, okay? This is also your house.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Yes, that reminds me, my barrister friend. Yes, he says the job opening for you two still exists and you can start immediately.
Oh my God! Thank you, baby. I'm so grateful. Thank you. My baby.
Thank you, sir.
No, not to worry.
Oh, now you can sit and eat your apple.
Oh, not this now. Very much happy.
I'm going up.
You know what you do? Let's see how the plan goes.
Yeah, wait. Oh! Baby. How are you?
Fine.
Let me see that. Of course I do.
Juju.
Yeah, what's up?
I'm fine. How are you?
I know you won't notice me now. It's who has blinded your eyes, I know.
Well, I'm sorry. I apologize, but I had to notice him first. He comes first.
No problem.
So, baby, why didn't you call me? I mean, I would have come to the park to pick you up.
I'm sure you know the answer. I hate to bother you.
Oh, sweetie, when it comes to you, nothing bothers you.
Noted.
Alright, let's go.
I'll be off.
I hope I'm not the one to
No, I'm already on my way.
Actually, it's a listing.
Bye.
Officer, I like what I am seeing.
Thanks, sir.
The crime rate in this city has reduced drastically. No more kidnapping, no more pedestrian mugging. Armed robbery has gone very low. Wow. I'm sure the commissioner will be happy at this. Thank you.
Thanks, sir. Thanks, sir.
I hope ASP Kabiru has informed you of what you stand to gain in all this. If we continue with this level of success, anticipate your next promotion.
Thank you, sir.
But listen, I have my eyes on all of you. And so you must continue with this rate of success. Do you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Dismiss.
Thank you very much for decorating my room. I mean, I almost did not recognize it. And the clothes. Oh my goodness. I'm so going to look like a queen.
Do you like them?
Are you kidding me? I love them.
I'm glad you like them.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Sweetheart.
Yes, love.
I was wondering, now that you've decorated my room, how long would I have to stay there?
Sweetheart, you won't be staying in that room for long. Far from it. The time has come when I will finally meet with your kinsman officially.
Are you serious?
I'm dead serious.
I love you very much.
And I love you too. Now eat your food, huh?
No, who eats after such great news? No, I'm not. I've lost my appetite.
Just try and eat, no?
Melody has just been engaged. Babes, na lie. I beg. No tell, na lie. Maybe they see so now. Melo.
They've not all of us finished school together. We did hear the roast.
No, she's I beg. I don't want to hear this story again. Are you serious? This girl is so lucky.
She's done lucky. When they want to engage us now,
I beg, give me a chat with them.
I beg.
Man, know what's happening for now.
This is the greatest news I've heard.
Oh, I beg, make her good luck fall on top of me. Oh,
Very lucky. She's so lucky. let me talk to her.
I am so excited. I mean, I didn't see this coming. I did not this fast. You know how men are. I am so grateful to God. When I was coming to the city, I was coming, because of one good news. I didn't know another one was getting ready to hit me. Look at my finger.
My sister, this is the best news I've heard today. You are indeed lucky.
Let's go.
You have a job. And now you've been proposed to by a man you love.
Very soon I'll be Mrs.
My sister, I can't wait. I beg, touch me with this your blessing.
Touch me. Touch me.
Babe, you know what?
She does.
So Mama, I want this marriage to come up as soon as possible.
Hey.
That reminds me. Mama, I want you to have this. No, Mama, have this.
Hey.
My mother-in-law already.
Hey, Izu.
Mama, have this.
Thank you.
Yes, Mama.
Hey, this is so much.
Mama, no, nothing is too much. Mama, I want you to meet with all the necessary people you need to meet with us so that this marriage will come as soon as possible. I don't want money to be a hindrance. I want money to be a hindrance.
Thank you so much. Isu, I am a happy woman. And whether there's money or not, my happiness alone will give speed to my legs. Darling, what is business?
As you can see, business is good.
I can see that. Hey. With this word. Thank you, Zo.
Thank you. Thank you.
I'm going to meet all your uncles. You go home now. Give them some. You tell them.
Wow, just University Chain Hospital? That's fantastic. Do you know I did my residency there?
Really? Why didn't you tell me?
Hey, don't put the blame on me, huh? All Anthony told me was that he worked in just for a while. Moreover, how am I supposed to know what residency means?
Well, even though you've worked in much bigger hospitals than this private hospital, I can assure you will learn far more here. And am I wrong to suggest that you are not permitted for a large part to carry out big procedures in this hospital?
No, you're very right.
We have a large patient load in this hospital. You will handle all kinds, and that will make you gain first-hand experience.
Right. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
You know, likely in the next few days, you will become a full-fledged man. Listen, when a man is financially responsible just to win more, the next thing should be marriage. But why haven't I thought about this? It's well, I'll get married too. I don't know how. I'm telling you, I will get married too. I'm going to get married.
You know what? Juju, you're my friend. And you've been my friend since childhood. Marriage is not something you dabble into.
Oh, wait. You want to lecture me now about marriage? Okay, talk, I'm listening. Tell me.
Marriage is not something you can just jump into.
Okay.
It's
That is why I insisted you must pass through here on your way from work.
Listen, your mama. See, we do not waste time to act. When a good news like this comes, I will inform all at our kinsmen's meeting. Choose a day with your daughter, then tell us. I assure you, we will honor it.
Ude, may God bless you.
Bless our.
Thank you so much.
Why, Melinda? What are the elders living for to see, apart from the progress of our children?
That is true.
In fact, this is a great news, very great news.
Thank you. Dalo, please have this drink.
I know you.
I bought it specially for you. And I must tell you, you have been a wonderful husband ever since mine passed on. Dalo.
Even you.
You know this drink, eh? I bought it from Innocent Hotel.
Innocent, that you only going to use things a word.
Oh dear. Oh,
thank God.
Hey, go back for now. The go young.
Oh, naga.
Okay. Hey. No. So, are you going to tell his son?
Of course, he'll be so happy to hear this. See, so that he can start working towards, planning the whole ceremony. I'm so happy.
Thank you, God. Oh,
thank you, Lord.
Thank you, Jesus.
Hey.
Seriously, that's what I want to do. No. I will.
It's my wife.
Oh, she's calling?
Yeah. Hello, darling. Yeah, how are you? Yeah, I'm fine. I'm good. Your mom asked me to choose a date with you. All right, then it's okay. Can you still make it to the city today? Oh. All right then. You should be on your way then. Waiting for you. Bye, darling.
So what's up? Is Melody coming here?
Yeah, she's on her way already.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Then I have to take my leave now.
One more thing. Remember to pop in to say hi when she comes around.
You know I always come now. It's the next thing.
Gigi.
I will come.
You don't enter that woman, please.
I'll come in the morning.
We can keep her back. Jubola, stop.
You have to escort me to the hospital. A police officer just be gone down. Just when we thought that things were getting better.
Jesus. Not again.
Come with me now.
Yeah, it's a miracle anyway. The bullet didn't get to his spine. The blood loss could have been fatal. The surgery was okay, and the bullet was also recovered. Thank God. I think he's now awake.
Thank you, doctor. Doctor, please, I would love to take in the bullet to aid our investigation.
Thank you so much. I appreciate that. Thank you so much.
What? No, please don't say this. Don't say this. Don't say this, please. Okay. Oh my God. Okay. I'll be there. I'll be there right now. I'll be there. Oh my God.
My love, what is it?
Darling, my colleague has been shot.
Shot?
Yes, and my attention is needed at the station. Oh my God.
My love, you can't tell me you're going to leave us now.
Darling, please don't be angry. Don't be angry. Please. I mean, now it could be my turn tomorrow, okay? We watch each other's backs. Please.
But this is not fair. I've been here and this is the only day you're taking me out, and now you want to attend to your duties and leave me in the house. Are you the only police officer they have now? Why you?
Darling, we don't know whose fate is going to be tomorrow. Please, huh? Please. Okay? Please. I'll make up for this. Please.
You see what I was talking about? I've been here for days. He chose to take me out today, and now he's choosing his duties over me.
Calm down. Some days are like that. Like seriously, calm down.
Not even going out again. You shouldn't even come out.
Yeah, calm down.
Yeah. This is the bullet.
Thanks. Thank you so much. I'll have it sent to the foresters immediately, huh? So can I see the officer now?
Why not? Definitely.
Oh, Julia, son. I thank God for your life. But I need to know, how did it happen?
Beautiful lady, are you going towards my direction? Ah, okay. I'm happy. Let me give you a ride.
Thank you.
Yeah, welcome. Oh, so beautiful girl. Tell me, what's your name?
My name is Cynthia.
Cynthia, that's a beautiful.
Thank you.
Mrs. Cynthia, I would love to bring you possibly to your doorstep, like your home front. You know, you never can tell. We can even get married.
No, that's possible, you know. That's if you give me your car first.
My car? Are you kidding me?
I'm serious. Give me your car. And I'll take you very serious. I like this car. It's a nice car.
I don't understand. Even I need to give you my car before you take me serious. Listen, I don't mean to insult you, but you don't appear to be as the kind of girl that I imagine. Maybe we weren't meant for each other. By the way, where will I drop you?
Take me back to where you picked me from.
I should take you back to... Are you crazy or something? What's that? Please tell me where I will drop you.
Exactly what you heard. Take me back to where you picked me from.
Listen. I don't understand what you're saying. Just tell me where I will drop you and let me look for somewhere and drop you. What does it mean I should take you back?
Take me back to where you picked me from now.
Get out of my car.
You're not serious, okay?
Get out of my car.
What does she look like?
She's dark in complexion. She's around 5 feet 7 inches tall.
Okay.
Yeah, but she appears to be tall maybe because of the heels she was putting on. Yeah, she has good curves. She's very beautiful. Lest I forget, she was putting on a corporate wear, a white shirt and a black skirt.
Okay. Don't worry, you'll be fine.
Thank you.
Okay. Inspector Kabir, sir, what is the situation report on the manhunt for the female terrorist?
We are offering all is available, sir. A police alert has gone out to our posts to all over the region with the description of a stolen vehicle. A description of the suspect has just been acquired. Also, I am personally taking this to the forensics within an hour, sir.
ASP Kabir.
Sir.
Need I remind you that I want results?
Yes, sir.
Sergeant Joyce!
Sir.
You heard me.
Yes, sir.
Results.
Okay, sir.
What do you have in your bag? What do you have in your bag? What is in your bag? What is
What do you mean by what is in my bag? How can you just stop me and ask?
A police officer is asking you questions and you are responding. Open your bag.
No, because you're carrying a gun, I shouldn't talk again.
Come move! A policeman is talking to you and you have the mouth to talk. Hey, come on.
What is it? I should
move her. Don't go.
What have I done?
What is it? Get her into this. Very fast.
No noise. No one can
Let me hear you say.
Please, can you just listen to me? Please.
Shut up.
I'm sure there's a misunderstanding somewhere. Can I put a call through to my fiancé? So, can you just listen to me? Please, I'm begging.
What is your name?
Let me just put a call through to him, please.
Please. Your name?
Let me speak to my lawyer, please. Let me speak to my lawyer.
What's your name? Your name?
This is God. If any of them happens to be the suspect, we may just have landed the jackpot. All information that we need to stop organized crime in our notorious roads will come through our mouth. Dinka.
Sir.
We are there now.
One after the other, they are in for questioning.
Thank you. Come please. Melody, listen to me. Who are the others with you? Just give me one name. Are you hearing me? I'm not going to ask you this question again. Just give me one name.
Do you recognize this face?
Ah!
What is his name?
What? Ah, she is the one. Ah.
This is unbelievable. Thank God you're alive. So, what's the name of the hospital?
No, you can't see me now. My colleagues are everywhere for security reasons.
What? They would not allow me to see you? Even as your childhood friend?
No, you can't have access to my room. It's all for security reasons.
God. Okay, but I hope you're responding to treatment, right? How are you? You're okay, right?
What is going on here? What are you people done? How can you kill a person in our custody? Huh? We are not even sure if she's guilty. God, this is bad record. This is bad record. What is wrong with you people? Don't you learn?
Her last 5 calls was placed to someone she named Hobby.
Hobby.
she was married.
Married?
What do we do?
How did... Please, just have a seat. Come sit down. So tell me, how did it go? I mean, your friend that was shot. Is he alive?
Yeah, he's alive. He's alive. He's very, very much alive. You know, the only baffling thing is that he was actually shot by a young girl.
A girl?
Yes.
That's quite absurd. Strange things are happening now.
You know, a funny situation, but still is the country we find ourselves in. Not totally strange.
You look tired. Let me get you something to eat, okay?
Oh, please do, please.
I'll come back.
Please.
Francisca, please, would you mind joining me? Welcome back. Yeah.
It's like the 50th time I'm trying this number. It's ringing.
Yeah, hello, please. Yes, we found this phone inside a bag that was left behind by a beautiful young lady in a bus my friend and I boarded. She had obviously mistakenly forgotten it, and we only had the time now to go through the contents of the bag in order to find a way to identify the owner, and thankfully we found this phone. Yes. Yeah. Could you please help me with an address to which we could return the bag? Okay. Help me with the pen and paper there. Yeah. Please, the address again.
Alright, it's number 19 Timothy Opala Street. You're off Waterboard Road, yeah. Thank you, God bless you. Julius, there is something I want to ask you. The girl that shot you, what is it against your name is?
Cynthia, that's a beautiful.
Why did you ask?
Are you sure that she did not mention that name like
Mirabelle or Melody?
I'm certain it was Cynthia.
Yes, there's no problem. We actually need your help.
I don't understand. My help? How?
We want you to help us identify a body.
A body?
A dead body.
And this was found on the victim.
Yes. Melody. Melody, talk to me now. Talk to me. Melody, talk to me. You cannot die now, please. Talk to me now. Talk to me. It's me, Izu. You talk to me. Stop looking at me now. Do something now. Please do something. Please. Talk to me now, Izu. Remember. Please, Melody, please. You cannot die now. What happened to me now? Please talk to me. Please. Melody, get up now. Get up, please. Please, I beg you, please.
Mireru, amabwanyo. Ifike manyo. Abogini mere gini kanako. Help. Awe manado. Fanasi ani dibe, fanasi ani dibe, manobia bawanyo, fasino buku wasiadi, ko siadi, fanasi ani dibe, manobia bawanyo, obundo no toto.
Chai Obedinka, fate seems to be conspiring against us. Imagine the dead girl being a close friend to Julius.
Ogadimka, I must confess I'm so sick about this whole thing. Please, in your capacity as our superior, do something. This is becoming so crazy.
Boys. Good. Now, this is not new. Yes, it's not new. I have been in the police longer than two of you, so I know this is not new. In matters of security, things like this are bound to occur, so it's not new. So what I want you to do now is brace up yourselves as men. As men of the force, you must brace up yourselves. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Are you listening to me?
Yes, sir.
Now, boys, we must stay as one voice. One voice. We keep the secret as utmost secrecy. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Good. Very good.
Lizzie?
Ode? Hey! Okay, Ode. So you came unannounced. Izu? Izu, Kedifo.
Sit down.
Nani? What is wrong with Izu?
There's no easy way to put this.
Which what?
I thought it best that we come together.
Nani, what is it now?
Just take it easy. Melody is dead.
Melody? Izu? Which melody?
The only melody between us.
Hey! Hey! Afubanuma! Hey!
Mama!
Anybody there? Mama! So nobody don't come to chilling. Now wow, the guy don't take on this stuff, yeah?
If I had known, I couldn't even sleep last night. Who asked me to use this stick on her?
Joyce, what is it? Shay, you want to land all of us into trouble? Hey! I beg, edit this kind of talk, I beg. Can you imagine what will happen to us if anybody hears you saying this rubbish? See my ampito. Nothing down there. I want an update on the female suspect you arrested a while ago in connection with the shooting of Inspector Julius.
I am really sorry, sir, that you've not been briefed on that, sir. The suspect has since been released. All evidence gathered against her point to the fact that, sir, she could have been the suspect, sir.
Are you serious?
Yes, sir.
What is happening to you? You haven't been yourself since you came in last night. You barely slept. I felt you move at every second. Please. Am I by any chance responsible for this?
Why would you want to think up something like that?
I don't know what else to think. You've been acting weird. For one, you haven't even said anything about me and my friend going to see your friend concerning our appointment. Or is it okay if we go without you?
To deserve this, eh? They say Melody is dead is a lie. I'm going to see it. Oh, Rapunomaga, Rapunomaga. Can you even make the only child, the only thing I have? If I'm at home, people call me Ned Doctor. That's what she said I should answer. Oh, they are mom Ned Doctor. Hi, Chimo. Oh God. Oh. Hi.
Sit down.
Oh, don't you understand? I need to go and see her. I want to go.
Down.
No.
Sit down. Where are you going?
You got that wrong. Melody can't leave me like that. Oh, I'm not. Hey!
When did you wait?
You know, she's just the fabric and the color of the white guy. Look at me. The only child that God gave me. Oh, God. This is not what we discussed. If I'm ever Doctor Gay, hey, Melody, you finished me. You promised me. You've left me. Melody, you have left me. What do you want me to do alone in this house? I want to follow my daughter. Cancel no one. Cancel the Jebe Bonnet. Cancel some man knows you.
You biggest lawyer you have.
I'm not joking.
I'm just so happy today. It's not this gift very well.
I didn't hit that, baby. I didn't hit that.
You know, like seriously, I can't just wait to give her the good news. Just wait to see her reaction when we show her appointment letter.
My dear, not only you. But how come nobody's answering the gate? We've been standing here for a while. Are you sure there's anybody in the house?
Oh, is it possible she has started working?
You said you've been calling her line and she's not been picking up, right? I think you should try calling her husband.
Let me call him.
Please call him.
He's ringing, but he's not picking.
Are you sure you dialed the correct number? Check it very well.
He's ringing, he's not picking, still ringing.
What's happening now?
Good morning.
Good morning.
Please, what are you people looking for?
We came to say it's you. Did you by any chance see him this money?
Is not around. We traveled to the village this morning because the wife is about to marry, just died.
If he came
Yes, please. Seriously, I regret having anything to do with the death of that girl.
Same here. But can we keep crying over spilled milk? What has happened has happened. For conscience sake, let's attend her funeral. What do you think?
That's the least we can do. It's the least we can do.
There's a heart that is crying for a life taken away. Restless soul crying for justice, and the evil people, they will never get away. Make them pay for the things they have done. Make them pay, every man, everyone. Make them pay. They can try to disguise, they can run.
Yeah, Mama Melody.
Oh, it's not Mama, it's Ude.
Oh, it's your Uncle Day. Uncle Day, please. Just tell me that what I'm hearing is not true. Tell me it's not true, please.
Oh, yes, it's true.
Melody is dead. No, it can't be true. She was young. She was vibrant and beautiful. She can't just die like that. I'm sure there's a mistake somewhere. Are you sure you called the right number? Not Melody.
If he came
Melody.
Manobia Bawano, Fasino Bukua Sedi, Go Sedi, Go Sedi, Fanasani Dibe, Manobia Bawano,
What's going on? What's the problem, darling? Why are you crying? Huh?
Remember my friend I told you about?
Which one precisely?
The one I told you attended same school with I and Francisca.
Yes. What about her?
The same one we went to see on the other engagement.
Of course.
She's dead.
What? Oh my God. Why? What happened?
I never am as confused as you are. First time I went to her fiance's place to tell her of the good news of our job appointment. Only for a neighbor who was passing by came around and gave us this sad news. My love, take a look at the picture of my friend. This is her. My love, she was young. She was vibrant. I don't know how death. Oh.
This is no time for all this. There is nothing that happens without God's knowledge. I mean, this whole thing has happened and you've really tried for her. Let God reveal her killers here. I think what you should be thinking most here is how to give her a befitting burial. And there's no time to be watching on her pictures. Please, for your health condition. Okay? Please. Let me have this, okay? Please. Please, Izu, please. I know how you feel, okay? Why not go upstairs and have some rest now? Please. You don't need this, Izu, please.
Inspector Julius. I hope you're feeling stronger now.
Yes, sir. Sir, the doctor said the whole occurrence was a miracle, and that under 10 weeks I will make full recovery. Okay. Sir, no major organs was pierced, and the bullets that got into my abdomen somehow lodged into an empty space.
Wow.
It's indeed a miracle, sir.
Oh, I'm so happy for you.
Yes, thank you, sir.
You're a fine officer. I'm so happy for you.
Thank you, sir. Sir, I want to ask you something.
What is it?
Sir, it's regarding the young lady that was arrested by officers from this division the day I was shot. Under the suspicion of connection regarding my shooting incident. Yes, sir. Can you recall what happened to her?
Oh, I remember asking ASP Kabira about it. You see, he said she had been released. That they could not establish, any evidence linking her to the crime. So they had to let her go, But that reminds me, he has not even dropped any written report about the incident on my table. Get him across now. Let me see.
According to our tradition, she will be buried in the bush. But for the last time, we will behold the face of our daughter, Melody, who has brought so much joy to our lives.
Melody, how? Melody, mama. It's okay, it's okay. Oh, it's not okay. Doctor. Hey, Alwa, ma'am. Oh, Fufulanya kana lomefa. Hey! Una sisinami is okay. Uno rapom una sisinami okay. Oh! Oh! How? Melody. Melody! I'm going to die with her. Please, it's okay. Melody. Oh. Melody, Mom. Melody, Janudo. Mama, Akapunafa. Melody, when you wake up, Naki sing it till you wake up. Melody and Nanya Nasu. Macafenda Ranya Nasu. Melody, when you wake up, Sunday wake up. It's okay, it's okay.
There's a heart that is crying for a life taken away. Restless soul crying for justice, and the evil people, they will never get away. Make them pay for the things they have done.
Allah! Is anybody there? Allah! Please, don't kill me, please. Don't kill me.